What's up, guys? Mr. Alan C checking out the ultra-powered air duster right here. Great for keyboards, air vents, anything with dust. The package is coming in. Let's go ahead, pull this open, and put it to the test. Here it is. Man, I'm loving the styling. Blue and black. Absolutely stylish. I love that. What a cool design. It looks like a little tornado on the back. This thing is supposed to have some decent power. Let's go ahead and take a look. It looks like it comes with all sorts of extensions right here, brushes, or how about an extension with a brush on the end? And then it's got a built-in rechargeable battery to save you from having to buy batteries. So you can just plug this in with this included USB to Type-C fast charger. Who could forget the user manual? But I think all the info I need is right here. It says press 3 seconds to power on. So you would press that for 3 seconds to power on. Second, third press, more power. So you could press again once it's on for more power, a third time for even more power. Fourth press, that's going to turn it off. Now, it said there's a charging indicator light right here. A sticker was pointing to that, saying that. And then where's that Type-C slot for charging? Right on the back, it looks like. So let's get this charged up. I bet there's power. Let's hold it. Oh my gosh, not only is there power, there's a light. Press it against the my hair blows in the wind. That pre-charged, and it's glowing that little green light after turning it off, letting me know that it's got a full battery. I love that. So let's put this to use on my keyboard. Which tip should we use? How about this one? Let's get in between the keys. That's what I'm thinking. Tips pop right in the front and go in there firmly and tight. Let's go ahead, go over to my keyboard. And here we are. These keys are pretty tight, so a long press for 3 seconds. It's powering on. I'm just going to turn it to max power. Why not? And we are blowing under those keys, cleaning it up. Look at that little bugger that came out of there. I didn't even know that stuff was in there. That's why this can be so important. Not done yet. It was time to put my little brush tip, blower tip on the end there and get business done. Yes! Yes! Here we go, boys! All those brushes are getting in between the keys. There's the air blasting out. Keeping it spiffy and clean. Like brand new. A quick look at it, guys. Thanks for checking it out. I'm going to catch you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.